It's my brother's heart rate.
Your brother is with the ancestors.
Wakanda forever!
Oh, mercy, King, mercy.
Every breath you take is mercy from me.
Listen, music, what do you think this is, the funeral?
We haven't met yet. I'm Clint.
I don't care.
I never yielded! And as you can see, I am not dead!
You cannot hide, bring them hands, come outside. Take off your disguise, peek inside, am I right? Don't be acting shy, I heard it's up, I wanna fly. I said, Jada, can you slide? This was her reply.
Bitch, I'm so for real. You in the presence of a queen, you supposed to kneel. Don't even need to post a reel, you should know it's real. You want the smoke for real? Don't make me leave you bitches tripping like you broke a heel.
Hey, yo! Who are you?
I never yielded! As you can see, I am not dead!
You will be stripped of your rank as general of Wakanda's armies and your status as Dora Milaje.
Perhaps we are being too hasty. She raised a spear against her own husband for Wakanda.
Where is her treacherous husband now? But in a place where she can visit if she wished. Mine! It's with the ancestors! I am queen of the most powerful nation in the world, and my entire family is gone! Have I not given everything?
Sir, I never yielded! And as you can see, I am not dead!
I'm the king now. Get those brains in the air, carry out the mission.
Hey, yo! This yours? Who are you?
Ever since I was a chick, knew I was a shit. Shawty keep wanna come round, she wanna get hit.
She say she done made me, can I get her by my side? Double up, bust on her watch, she know that I'm timeless.
I put my son in some red.
Your uncle betrayed us.
No.
He helped Claw steal the vibranium. No.
You will return home at once, or you will face the council and inform them of your crimes.
He drew his weapon on me. Your father killed his own brother to save my life.
Speak nothing of this.
The child. We left him.
The world took everything away from me. Everything I ever loved. Is this your king?
Our pop said Wakanda was the most beautiful thing you ever seen.
Love me.
He promised he was gonna show it to me one day. You believe that? Kid from Oakland running around believing in fairy tales.
Love me.
But I fear you still may not be welcome.
Why?
They will say you are lost.
But I'm right here.
Love me.
Well, maybe your home's the ones that's lost. That's why they can't find us.
Love me. Oh, baby. Love me. Love me. Love me.
Found my daddy with panther claws in his chest. You ain't the son of a king, you're a son of a murderer.
Wrong to abandon me. I want to be a great king, Baba. Just like you. You're going to struggle. So you'll need to surround yourself with people you trust. You're a good man with a good heart. And it's hard for a good man to be king.
My king, look at this. Do you like that one?
Something. But this one.
Now tell it to go on.
I get those goosebumps every time. I need the Heimlich. Throw that to the side. I get those goosebumps every time, yeah. When you're not around, when you throw that to the side. I get those goosebumps every time, yeah. 713 to the 281, yeah.
No need to call you. I can handle this alone.
Just don't freeze when you see her.
What are you talking about? I never freeze. Nakia. Hi.
You froze. Queen Mother, Princess.
It is so good to have you back with us.
Take her to the river province to prepare her for the ceremony. Yes, General. Did he freeze? An antelope in headlights.
Are you finished? I want to be a great king, Baba. Just like you. You're a good man with a good heart. And it's hard for a good man to be king.
As you can see, I am not dead.
Love me.
Well, maybe your home's the ones that's lost.
Love me.
My brother is dead. But it doesn't mean the Black Panther is gone.
Love me. Oh, baby.
I am queen of the most powerful nation in the world, and my entire family is gone.